Hello everyone. Today I am going to draw Shah Rukh Khan with pencil and pen. This is a freehand sketch and it took me 3 hours. So let's start the video. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. As you can see, I always start with the eyebrows. Some people start with the face or face structure, but I prefer to start with the eyes. I feel comfortable in this way. You can start with the face structure if you want to, but I think that if you start with the eyes, you can guess the right position of the nose, the lips, the chin, and everything. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has very unique facial features. His eyebrows are very uplifted, or you can say it's very curvy. So he has very unique kind of eyebrows. I have always been a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan, which is not very unusual. Every Indian is a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan, and the expression he gives with his eyes in all his films is just awesome. His old films never gets old. I feel the same level of excitement and amusement which I felt when I saw the film for the first time. I think I kind of got the eye shape. I am not adding the details now. First I am getting the overall shape and structure of his face. Now I am doing the nose with pencil. I could have done it with pen also, but I just wanted to try with the pen and pencil together how it looks. So I gave it a try. I think the nose was the easiest part. Shading the shadow portion, darkening the nostrils, and this is his nose. Let's start the lips. Now what I'm doing is not drawing it, I'm just trying to guess the proportions and the actual position of his lips and face structure. I'm just guessing and just marking with pencils. These are not real actual lines. I'm just trying to understand his face shape, size, and I'm making mistakes. You can see I'm just adjusting my eyes with the picture and just trying to get the proper shape. These are all guidelines. I keep doing this until I get the right one. Have you played the find the difference game? There are two pictures and you have to find what are the differences between those pictures, and you keep looking at both of them until there are no differences. So this thing also I feel very similar to that game. Sometimes I get it on the first go, and sometimes I have to keep looking and looking and looking until there is no difference. I can tell you one interesting thing you can do. I do this when I can feel that something is not right, still I cannot get it, that what is the mistake and which area is wrong. I hold the picture in front of the mirror. Yes, it is very helpful. I have used this trick a lot of times, not just for faces, but any kind of drawing, in scenery, trees, any object. You can find the mistakes easily and you can correct it. If you like the video, if you have any opinion, please give comments and I would love to reply to them. as soon as I can. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and tell me what is your story with art, which pictures you love the most, and what is the importance of art in your life. I would love to listen. Look, gradually I have started getting his face. There is not very much difference left. There is some like the face, the cheeks. I mean, I will correct it, and the beard. Okay, the shadows, the ears. For this thing, you have to work with your vision and imagination more. A good artist will tell at once that which is the mistake, and in just one look, he will tell. So, this thing you have to develop with practice. A lot of practice is needed to develop this skill. I will do the hair and beard with pen. Now it looks a lot like Shah Rukh Khan, isn't it? After doing the hair and beard, it will look better because we haven't added the darker areas yet. Um, it will start looking better and better gradually as we add the beard, the darker portions. In future, I would love to do this kind of works with charcoal. At this moment, I do not have charcoal, but I have lots of watercolors and acrylic colors. So I do a lot of painting with those. But someday I will buy some charcoal also, or soft pastel colors. I have a wish to work with that. It would look better with charcoal, honestly. I think the hardest medium of colors is watercolor actually, and I want to develop my watercolor skills also. So I bought a lot of colors, and recently I bought Camel's watercolor, artist watercolor actually. Since I have started working with watercolors, my acrylics skills and sketching skills have also improved. I got this picture from Google. Actually, I don't know where which film it is from or what is the reference. But I think this Shah Rukh Khan looks like Jab Tak Hai Jaan ka Shah Rukh Khan, isn't it? Later, I darkened the hair more, but I didn't record that. Oops. I got the beard recorded, although I finished it here. I could have shaded it more, I could have darkened it more, I could have done things more, but I liked it this way. Did you like it? I hope Mr. Shah Rukh Khan likes it too. Thank you for watching. Tada!